Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting to work on the car. I have a lot to do today. I don't know how I'm going to break these videos up, so I apologize if they're broken up at all, but I want to try to make it a little logical. Right now I need to work on a few little things first. Unfortunately, my 34 row oil cooler that I ordered and I paid actually paid for 2 to 3 day UPS shipping, and I paid for it early morning on Wednesday. It shipped Wednesday morning, yet 2 to 3 days, apparently they say 2 to 3 business days, and they don't count the day that it ships. So unfortunately, because of that website, no offense, I think it's a lie, crack as shit, but it's Import Racing, by the way, is a website. But that said, I don't get it until Monday, so I won't be able to change out the oil cooler to the bigger oil cooler, which means I have to wait to mount the front heat exchanger. However, I can wire the heat exchanger pump. I'm going to do that today, hopefully. As well as I have, which I'm fearful of, but I have to do it, is change out the fuel pump. So that said, here's a few things that I'm doing today. So I've already moved this to get to the fuel pump. It's in there. Sorry for the lighting, but my fuel pump's going right there. And then I have a few other little things that I need to do, which down here is the lovely transmission cooler. I need to go ahead and hook up the adapters and run the hosing. I'm gonna run the hosing right through here. It's hard to see, but there's like a slot right on the side in here that you can run it through. So that way I can run the hoses and not worry about them being in the way. So I'm going to do that today, and hopefully that's about it. I'm going to sit you to the side over here so you can see. Alright. So I have a lot of little prep work to do. I'm not sure if you want to see all of it, but I'm going to go ahead and change out a few things. Trying to sit this where the camera can see everything. I also apologize for the noise. Let me adjust that. There we go. I also apologize for the noise upstairs. My garage is directly below my living room, so you're gonna hear my dogs running around and stuff like that. So I'll probably speed the rest of this video up so you kind of just see like a quick of what the hell I'm doing. And it might take me a little bit. I'm slow. I just want to do things correctly the first time, that way I don't have to redo them. Alright, so I have both of those on there. I have hosing. So some of this hosing is supposed to be for the catch can. Also, the snipping tool that's for these is coming Monday as well. So I can't easily cut this hosing. So I'm not going to run that yet, but that is where it's going to... Well, actually, I'm going to. Why not? I'll just zip tie it underneath. But I got to feed this through. So it's going to take me a minute. I got to go get some scissors. Be right back. Alright, so time to start. Alright, give me a minute. Alright, so here's what it's going to look like after. I still have to do this one. So one of the tricks I found out, I had to play around with it, is after you have it fully pushed in all the way, put some tape, that way you know it's not moving and that the hose is actually going in. The other thing is I had to use two wrenches, 3/4 and 19, or 2/19 or 2/3, whatever one you can find. I just had to use what I have to tighten that down. So I held this one in place and tightened this down, and it's solid now. This is loose right now. I'm actually replacing this, so it's going to be the same level. This comes in Monday, and today is Saturday. So yeah, fun times. So this is what I got to work with right now. Hopefully this is all sealed and nothing leaks. We'll find that out when we hook the transmission, this to the transmission lines and all that. So I'm just gonna hook this one up real quick and then go from there. Alright, so it's all hooked back up. I probably shouldn't have put that back on first, but so both lines, it's hard to see. I put a spacer to space the hoses out, zip tied them there, ran them through there, which you gotta love your iPhone always listening. I didn't ask for a question, but so it goes through here, and then on the underside, if you give me a second, all the leftover hosing right now, I still have to wait for the cutter to cut these properly because I want an even cut. But under here, if you look up underneath, I went ahead and put another one of these spacers. See if I can get that. So put one of these spacers in there where it comes through over the frame. And then these are gonna get cut at some point. So you have the lines that come through here. I'm gonna have to cut these, but not there. Obviously give it some length, because one of these are the transmission lines right here. These two coming out. So I'm gonna tap off of one of these and install the cooler off of it. So the lines are going to kind of run over in here somewhere, and that's about it. Alright, so that's it for now. I don't know, I'm probably going to do another video separately from this one. I still have to do the wiring for the heat exchanger, the pump for it, and then I also have to install the fuel pump. So those are two things I still have to do. Luckily my fuel tank is half a tank. Supposedly that's safe enough. You're supposed to actually do it at 1/8 of a tank, but obviously my car is already up. I don't have a way to siphon the gas. Supposedly it's safe at half a tank, so we're gonna find out. I'll do another video for that, but this is just a brief what I'm doing today. It's just a bunch of little stuff. I'm waiting on that transmission cooler. I mean, not the transmission, oil cooler. I'm waiting on that. That way I can do the rest of this. So, questions for you. Please comment below. How do you want me to do this for installs? I'm new to this. I've watched other people's videos. Do you want me to like just sit there and record the whole time and then speed it up? Or just kind of just snip the important stuff and kind of put it in there? Some of this I know I blab on. I apologize. It's just how I am. And I'm just trying to make sure that you thoroughly understand everything that I'm doing. So that's everything for now. Stay tuned for another video. This is just kind of just a quick update on stuff that I'm doing. Bye. Check out that. Hit the subscribe right there. Now check out what other video YouTube recommends to you following this build. But thanks. Bye.